Hello everyone, it's been more than 6 months I have installed the slipper clutch on my RTR 200. So after facing everything from heavy city traffic, highway runs, hill riding and bad roads, I'm ready to share my experience with the slipper clutch on my RTR 200. To begin with the technical part, the previous regular clutch had 6 plates while the new slipper clutch has got 5 plates. But as far as the riding experience goes, you will never feel any kind of change in the power or the torque transmitting capacity of the slipper clutch. Even though the slipper clutch has only 5 plates, it weighs approximately 100 grams more than the regular clutch. And going by the laws of mechanics, nominal change in the mass of the rotational moving parts of an engine can affect the fuel efficiency and performance, which we will discuss further in this video. Now coming to the experience part, the first and the foremost thing you will notice after the slipper clutch installation is how smooth and light the clutch action is with the assist of the slipper clutch. This can be a boon to the riders who commute in traffic and have to deal with frequent gear shifts. Both city and highway rides are a lot more fun now as downshifts and overtakes happen seamlessly, which practically makes you a lot more quicker as you don't really have to wait for the RPM to come down before downshifting. This matters a lot for a rider like me who has a big mechanical sympathy towards his machines. This same phenomena applies while you're doing a corner and you actually realize the importance of the slipper clutch. Next, I would like to highlight a point to burst a myth that slipper clutch takes away the engine braking from the system, which is really essential in a lot of places. So technically speaking, slipper clutch comes into action only when you are downshifting from a certain RPM to a lower gear, where the clutch slips and engages after the RPM matches. Once the clutch completely engages, I found no difference in the engine braking in comparison with the regular clutch which I had on this motorcycle before. This can be completely experienced while you're doing a downhill ride with the aid of engine braking on a motorcycle with slipper clutch. Finally, I would like to conclude with the fuel efficiency numbers. If you have seen my tank range video where I did around 1000 kilometers for the Akola ride, the motorcycle returned some unbelievable numbers which experimentally validates the fact that slipper clutch has no effect on the fuel efficiency figures. But I am sure it will affect if you continue to put the slipper clutch on test by taking the motorcycles to high RPMs just for the fun of downshifting. At this point I am confident enough with the installation and the performance of the motorcycle that I can recommend it as a successful modification. I hope this video will be helpful to the riders who are planning to install slipper clutch on their RTR 200. A lot of interesting stuff is on its way, so keep a check on the channel.